be having to remember that I need to turn this thing on, or else I'll be talking to myself. Hi guys, it's me Anne, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I want to discuss something that I've been asked a lot, and I know that I didn't continue a particular series regarding online businesses, which I will pick up, but today I want to basically discuss things that people do not tell you about owning an online business. But before we get into that video, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Anne. If you haven't yet, please click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you can be alerted every time I upload a video, if you want. As some of you may know, I've owned an online business or two in my day, and it's a journey that I decided to go on as of like 2012. So today should be July 18th and I'm uploading a video, and the hair site should be up. I do have the hair in right now, and it's still wet because I just got out the shower not too long ago. And I'll leave the details here or somewhere so that you can check it out, and the specs of my hair will be in the description box if you're interested. So when I started an online business back in 2012, I started it just out of curiosity, I guess. I had experience before because I used to work for a company that did websites for very big brands like Movado, Catherine Malandrino, Derek Lam, like some very Nanette Lepore, Net-a-Porter, like some very big high-end brands. So I had an idea of how it worked in terms of people ordering from you, you fulfilling the order, and then of course you earning your money. Whew. I quickly learned that my knowledge of this whole thing was very superficial. So one of the things I quickly learned, and like people don't tell you, is that chargebacks are inevitable. Like, someone will always file a chargeback and there's nothing that you can do about it. A chargeback is when someone places an order on your website and either files a claim directly through PayPal or with their bank. And sometimes this claim can be because you didn't ship the item fast enough, you didn't give them a discount, you didn't let them switch their order because it was already processed, or it can be just because they felt like they wanted their money back, whether it's they're trying to just defraud you for whatever reason it is. So chargebacks are something that I dealt with at such a high level, and it was so disheartening. There are certain payment platforms that will not even let you sell certain products. Like hair is banned from Stripe. And unfortunately too, I used to use PayPal as my card processor, and you're only protected by PayPal if it's a direct PayPal payment and you ship to a confirmed address and all that stuff. And even then, 9 times out of 10, PayPal sides with the buyer, okay? And the seller is just screwed. And when you fight a chargeback and lose, which is a lot of the times, regardless if you have signature proof and all that stuff, you basically get charged an additional $20 because the chargeback occurred. Another thing that I feel like people don't tell you about starting an online business or owning one is that shipping, insurance is muy importante, okay? 90% of the time, shipping will be fine in terms of your item getting there safely, especially if it's not an item that can be crushed or something. Like, let's say it's hair extensions. Like, once it's in the box, like, it's fine, right? Unless it gets lost or something. And that's like a 10% chance. But 90% of the time, you know, it can be on the customer. So ensuring the item is so important. I know that it drives the shipping price up and you may have to take the hit. No matter what the terms and conditions are on your site, I mean, the financial institutions and of course PayPal, you know, they look out for the interests of their client, and their client is not you, the seller, it is the buyer. Customers do not have any boundaries, because customers are always going to be on your case, always going to be on your back. Like, let's say, for example, you have business hours of 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Friday, right? Let's say you go on social media and you post something on your personal social media or whatever, people will then attack you and start asking you questions and feel away if you don't respond to them and let them know that customer service is closed, because they'll feel like, if you can tell me that customer service is closed, you can answer my question. Or if you ignore them and don't say anything, they'll be like, if you could post a picture, then you can respond to my comment, kind of thing. So you have to understand that your freaking privacy goes this much, unless like you're not on social media at all on a personal level. But customers will find you, they will track you down, and they will basically bully you a little bit. So you just have to be ready for that, and you have to understand that you cannot go off on them either. So another thing people don't discuss about just running an online business, you are going to lose money. And I'm not talking about just chargebacks or whatever the case is. I'm talking generally. You are going to lose money. You can lose this money twice as fast as you make it. You can have $10,000 in sales this month and $15,000 in chargebacks next month, or losses in general. So you have to be very, very, very careful on how you pay yourself, how you spend your business's money, and how you just manage at all, just in general, just how you manage in general, because there will be some months where you will make a lot of money, and there will be other months where you don't make enough money to cover the cost of certain things for your business. So I know that everyone wants to get into this whole entrepreneurship and just getting things in order and making extra money, but you just have to understand that it is a very, very big responsibility in which you need to balance it out, okay? Like, you need to have enough storage on your phone so that you always have your photos and things ready. You need to keep your social media on point. You need to make sure that you have all your accounts in order. Make sure you have all your products up to date, program sales, turn on and off the website. Just, there's so many things that you have to do, and I don't think that is discussed. And I just let you know just a few little things that people don't discuss with you, because let me tell you, if you get so many chargebacks and then you get banned from a freaking payment processor, you have to figure out how to start all over, okay? And this is something that you have to be responsible for. So you have to have a plan A, B, C, and D when it comes to every portion of your website, okay? All right, guys, I think that concludes it for this video. If you want me to go more in depth on this topic, or you have any questions, concerns, please leave them down in the comment section and let's get a discussion going. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.